Good morning everyone! So welcome to our nature trip again. Nandito tayo ngayon na naman sa Makiling. So going to Mud Spring naman ang ating destination for today. So dun sa mga nature lover, halika samahan nyo ako. Let's go to the way going to Mud Spring. So, yung weather natin today, medyo kanina, gloomy yung weather, pero the sun is up. Masarap mag-trek ngayon. Medyo mahaba yung lalakarin natin, so samahan nyo ako.
Before ka pala makapasok sa Makiling Forest to hike, trek or to walk, there's an entrance fee dito na 30 pesos per head or per person. A few meters walk lang naman from entrance going to Flat Rocks, which is Station 2, and at least 3.7 kilometers going to Mud Spring from Flat Rocks. Just a very important reminder or tip, medyo malayo-layo yung lakarin natin, so don't forget na magbaon tayo ng water to hydrate or pagkain just in case magutom kayo, especially sa beginners. Let's just enjoy, chill, and savor every step kasi very relaxing and serene dito sa dadaanan natin going to Mud Spring. Talagang stress reliever siya. So if you're like me who's looking for a place to take a time off away from the busy world, relax for a while, and of course, a nature lover, you can add this to your short travel bucket list. May mga emergency numbers na makikita rin rito, every station for you to call in case there is an emergency. So, tara na! Let's explore together the trail going to Mud Spring.
So, ito na tayo sa ating destination, which is Mud Spring. So, ito na. Mud Spring. Tapos, I'm not sure yung kilometers kasi medyo nasira na siya. Kung 2.6 or 3.6 kilometers going to Peak 2, medyo malayo pa yun. Pero ang destination natin for today is yung Mud Spring. So, a few background for sa ating location, Mud Spring Trail. So, trail length, 692 meters. Difficulty, easy. So, easy pa siya. The Mud Spring Trail is a short, easy trail that goes northward from the Maria Makiling Trail. It is a well-established trail that snakes through the lush vegetation of Mount Makiling. So, parang snake yung daan niya. Mud Spring, as local call it, in Mount Makiling is actually a mud pot which commonly occurs in areas with volcanic activity. A mud pot is a type of hot spring formed by the action of heat, acid, and microorganisms on the rock and soil. Mud pots can get colorful depending on the kind of rock and soil that is dissolved. As you get closer to Mud Spring, you will smell a rotting egg due to the sulfur found in the area. So, ang sabi dito, extra precautions, stay on the trail, hike safely. So, let's enjoy the surrounding and the vegetation inside the Mud Spring. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Going to Mud Spring. So, in-explore na natin yung trail papunta dito sa Mud Spring. Medyo slippery yung daan kasi nga, as I've said earlier, umuulan every day. But since it's a sunny weather today, we took the risk na-explore tong Mud Spring para mapakita ko sa inyo yung Mud Spring itself. So makikita nyo yung daan. Maputik. Enjoy lang natin. Kasi at the end of the trail, makikita na natin yung mud spring. Oo, sobrang maputik yung daan. So dahan-dahan lang tayo.
Dahan-dahan at mga madulas. Ilang?
So medyo masukal yung daan natin. Very, very narrow. Madaming mga dahon. May ano siya, the centipede smell. Yung centipede, millipede, the smell. But what we have to watch out ay yung leech or yung linta na dumidikit talaga sa balat mo. So kung pupunta ka dito, dapat hindi ka naka-shorts or naka-leggings ka or ties. If naka-short ka, you risk getting leech or yung linta kasi dumidikit yun talaga sa skin. And pag nakadikit na siya sa skin mo, mahirap na siyang tanggalin once na nag-start siya mag-zip. So, ito na, progress. Ito yung meron ding, oh, there's a snake. There's a snake. So, pakita natin yung dadaanan nila na parang river siya, pero it's a creek. Extension to the Mulawin Creek or the Mulawin River kung isa-search nyo siya sa internet. The Makiling Mulawik River or Mulawik Creek. Diretso na natin yung mud creek. Mud trail. So, we're here. We've reached Mud Spring. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo yung effect ng sulfur sa water. Ito siya. And yung smell niya medyo different from the usual air na ini-intake natin. Kasi gawa nga ng sulfur. Meron namang nakasulat sa billboard kanina. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito siya. So, yung smoky na, ayan, as you can see, yung water, iba talaga yung itsura niya. So, may something na nakamix sa water. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na medyo smoky yung surrounding. Kasi gawa ng sulfur. So, ito siya. Yan. Meron nakasulat na danger sign. Danger sign na sinasabing, although malayo siya, danger zone, do not enter, mapanganib, bawal pumasok. So, kailangan i-follow natin yung mga sign na ganyan kasi medyo delikado talaga dito sa area na to. So, pakita ko sa inyo, no. Ayan, no. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Kita mo yung smoke niya, oh, going up the air. Wow, it's really nice. It's quite an adventure. Kasi first time ko rin nakarating dito and yung temperature niya is medyo mainit. Ayan siya. So, will not stay long. Pero, pakita ko sa inyo, meron pala dito. I missed may nakasulat dito yung the mud spring. So, this site is one of the mud spots left on Mount Makiling, an inactive volcano. A mud pot is a type of hot spring that is formed when due to volcanic heat, sulfuric acid breaks down surrounding rocks into clay. The clay mixes with water. So, yun yung nakita natin kanina. The clay mixes with water. Excuse me. Kaya yung color ng water earlier is different from the usual water flowing. And the clay mixes with water to form mud that is very hot, approximately 80 degrees Celsius, sulfurous 50 milligram per liter, very acidic, almost 2 pH yung kanyang acidity, and varying consistency and color. So yung color na pinakita ko kanina na parang muddy na yung color ng water is because of the clay that mixes with the water from the mud and with the sulfur na rin na contain. Warning, to visitors, camping is not allowed in this area. So boiling mud can burn your skin. Please do not cross the fence. So yun yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na bawal pumasok because it's a danger zone. Ayan. So, ito yung water. Iko-close up ko. Although very dangerous, pero close up ko yung color ng water. It's muddy. Different from the usual water. Flowing water na makikita natin. So, medyo umuusok-usok pa siya. And the temperature here is very hot. It's quite hot. Not very hot, but quite hot. Yan, so balik na tayo. Yung smell niya, iba rin. So, for me, it's quite an adventure and there's a lich crawling on my leg. Yeah, as you can see, it's there. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na very dangerous if naka-short kayo. So, can you remove it? I'll ask to remove it. No, not that! Use. Yeah.
Let's go.
So, yun. So, let's check. Double check lang kung we have something on.
Ako ba? Sa tek?
Yeah. Sa hair.
Talikod.
So, I'm checking if meron sa hair. And sa'yo. Tenga. Wala. In your bag. Backpack.
Ano maganda dun?
Yeah. Alright. So, meron pang isang location na maganda dito sa Mud Spring. So, Medyo maano lang yung daan. So, you have to watch every step. Eto na.
Bumalik.
I'll share it to you. It's okay. So, ayan. There you go. Gusto ko lang ma-share sa inyo kasi maganda yung area pag pinuntahan nyo. Although, it's quite dangerous. Gawa nga nung pinakita ko kanina na limatic na dumikit sa legs ko. Pero dito talaga is medyo maganda na. Yung sulfur smell, hindi na masyado dito sa part na to. And yung water, the color of the water is different already. Meron pang ibang color pero hindi na siya ganun kamadi. Ganda. Yung sa labas?
Hindi, dyan.
Okay. So, ang ganda ng area. Oh, medyo smoky pa nga dun sa part na yon. Sa pinuntahan natin, which is the mud spring itself. Yung hot spring. Ayan. So, every time na nakita ako ng flowing water na ganito, yung flowing water ay nakaka-relax sa feeling. So, worth it every difficulty sa pagte-trek, going sa mud spring, and yung haba ng nilakad namin. It's really worth it. Nagpe-paid siya when you reach your destination. Ang ganda-ganda talaga niya. See? Ang lamig ng water. Here. Yeah. So, we're going back na?
This ends Carly's Mud Spring adventure. Kita-kita ulit tayo on the next Carly's Time Off video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.